sometimes we don't want to use a number line. So instead of using the number line, we can use our integer rules to perform operations. So for addition, we have if they're the same signs, we keep them. So if we're doing a positive number plus a positive number, our answer will be positive. If we're doing a negative number plus a negative number, our answer will be negative. Different signs, we subtract the smaller from the larger. And if it's a bigger positive number, the answer will be positive. If it's a bigger negative number, the answer will be negative. For subtraction, we use keep, change, flip. So we keep the first number. So if we had -7 minus 3, we would keep the -7, change the subtraction sign to addition, and then we'd flip the sign of that last number. So this is a +3, we'd flip it to a -3. And then since it's now an addition problem, we can use those addition rules. So we'd say it's a negative plus a negative. So the signs are the same, which means I'm going to add the numbers. 7 plus 3 is 10. And I'm going to keep that sign the same. So it's going to be -10. Let's practice using our integer rules. -4 plus -7. The signs are the same. They're both negative numbers. So we add and keep. So add the numbers. 4 plus 7 is 11, and it stays negative. So it'd be -11. Next problem is still addition, so we're good, but the signs are different. So we have different signs, which means we're going to subtract and keep the larger. So first off, is 7 bigger or is 9 bigger? 9 is the bigger number. So since 9 is bigger, that tells us our answer is going to be positive. So we have a positive answer. And we need to subtract the number. So what's 9 minus 7? That is 2. So our answer is +2. Next problem here, we have -5 minus 9. Since it's a subtraction sign, we want to keep, change, flip. We're going to change this to an addition problem. So we're going to keep the -5, change the subtraction sign to addition, and then we're going to flip that +9 to a -9. Now that it's an addition problem, we can use our addition rules. Ask ourselves, are the signs the same or different? The signs are the same. So since the signs are the same, we can add and keep. So add, what is 5 plus 9? That would be 14. Keep the sign the same. So since the numbers were negative, our answer is -14. One last problem here for you guys. We have -3 minus -7. So we keep, change, flip, keep that -3, change that subtraction sign to addition, flip the -7 to +7. And that is why we say this double negative becomes one big positive, because when we change it to an addition problem, it ends up just being +7. Now that we have our new addition problem set up, -3 plus 7, we ask ourselves, are the signs the same or different? So we have -3 and +7, so our signs are different signs. Since they're different, we subtract and keep the larger sign. So subtract the numbers. What's 7 take away 3? That would be 4. So we know our number is 4. keep the larger sign. So which number is larger, 3 or 7? 7 is larger, and 7 is positive. So our answer is positive 4. Hopefully this helps with adding and subtracting integers. Now that you're done with your video lesson, you can move on to the practice for lesson 2.